Hello everyone. Today we talk about the experiments which we perform for detection of photosynthesis. Whenever we start with the experiments on photosynthesis, we always take a de-starch leaf. Now what do you mean by de-starching? De-starching is, as we say, the leaf is a kitchen of the part of the plant, and that is performing, it is helping to manufacture food. So this presence of food is helping, giving us a positive test for photosynthesis. Now if this food is present, that is the glucose, earlier present glucose will interfere with our results because we are performing the absence of carbon dioxide, the absence of chloroplast, absence of sunlight. So if these factors are absent and if the leaf is showing it is already having the earlier present starch, it will interfere with our results. So we always take a de-starched plant for experiments on photosynthesis, and this de-starching is done by keeping the plant in dark for 2 to 3 days, or covering it with a black cloth so that there is no sunlight, and the entire present starch or the glucose present in that plant is all used up by the leaf cells. So now we come to the experiments. Let's see. Now very first we talk about is to test a leaf for starch. Very first we take a leaf and we have killed that leaf by keeping it in a boiling water. Now boiling water is killing the cells, that is the cell membrane, because it is living in nature. So the cell membrane is selectively permeable, that is killed. Now we have to remove the chlorophyll pigment, the green part, so that we will keep in methylated spirit in a test tube over a boiling, because methylated spirit is inflammable. It is flammable, so it will catch fire if we heat it directly. So we are giving it a preheated environment over the water bath of the boiling water. So with that, this methylated spirit is acting as a solvent for chlorophyll. The chlorophyll will be removed and the leaf will become white in color. So it will become brittle. So again we will keep it in boiling water for a few seconds to soften it, and that white leaf we will place over a white surface and pour iodine solution over it. Iodine is reacting with starch and it will indicate a blue-black color. So if there is a blue-black color on the leaf, that means the starch is present. If there is no blue-black color, it is brown, we say starch is absent. Now very first experiment is to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, we have taken a variegated leaf. Variegated means a leaf which is having green and white patches in it. So this white patch is already naturally the chlorophyll pigment is absent in the leaf. Clear? So that we have in our as ornamental plants, we have the croton and the coleus. So we have taken a de-starch plant and keeping it in a dark for few days. Then we have taken that de-starch plant and kept in sunlight. Now this plant is having well watered. It is having water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and it is having chlorophyll pigment in certain areas. Over here the white, it is not having chlorophyll, it is having chlorophyll over here. So it is kept in sunlight, it is getting carbon dioxide from here, so it will manufacture food. So when we will perform iodine test, this green part will be turning into blue-black color. That means over here starch is present, so photosynthesis has occurred, and the white color is having a brown color. That means the starch is absent. So the starch is absent due to the absence of chlorophyll pigment. Now we say that this experiment is to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. We have taken a de-starch plant and that leaf is still attached to the original plant. It is well watered. Now one of the leaf we have covered with the black paper and we have marked a pattern in it. So some part is not receiving sunlight and some part is receiving sunlight. Fine. So as this is covered by black paper, it is kept in this plant attached to the original plant. This leaf is kept in sunlight. It is getting water from the soil, sunlight, carbon dioxide. So this part, when we will perform iodine test over it, this part will not have photosynthesis, so it will turn brown in color, and the part which is green and able to perform, it is able to get sunlight, will perform photosynthesis and will turn brown in color.